Dive into the world of secret hacking tools that cybercriminals are using right now. These tools are cutting-edge, malicious, and dangerously effective. Stay informed to protect yourself from the next big cyber attack. Let's uncover the top 5 underground hacking tools of 2025. This one's disturbing. Instead of delivering malware, ClickFix convinces users to copy and paste a fake security command into their own computers. That command instantly pulls a live backdoor from a hacker-controlled server. No downloads, no alerts, just full system compromise, executed by the victim themselves. Hackers from North Korea and Iran have already used this trick to breach high-profile targets. Scary part? Anyone can fall for it. Next is GoReShell, part of the elite Purple Haze toolkit. Once it's inside a system, it creates a remote shell, transfers files, executes in memory, and routes traffic through a hidden relay network, making it almost impossible to trace. It's currently used by nation-state hackers to spy without being seen. Think macOS is safe? PasivRobber is a modular implant that harvests everything: browser data, email content, chat messages, using 28 plugin-style modules. It hides inside pirated apps or fake installers. Once you click install, it's game over. This one's genius and terrifying. Hackers modified a legit app called NFCGate into a fraud tool. Once installed, it reroutes ATM transactions to the attacker's wallet every time the victim taps to pay. Over 170,000 Android devices have already been infected. CraxsRAT is a remote access Trojan built for Android. Once in, hackers get full control: SMS, camera, mic, even system files. It's being sold in private Telegram groups as malware as a service, giving any wannabe hacker power once reserved for elite attackers. Now that you've seen what's out there, here's how to protect yourself. Don't run random commands from the web, ever. Avoid third-party app stores and sketchy downloads. Use threat detection tools on mobile and desktop. Always question what you're clicking, because these attacks rely on you to activate them. If you found this eye-opening, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. More dark web tools, hacker tactics, and cybersecurity defense are dropping weekly. Stay aware, stay ahead. See you in the next one.